I just want to do God's will. And He's allowed me to go up to the mountain. And I've looked over and I've seen the promised land. I may not get there with you, but I want you to know tonight that we as a people will get to the promised land.
What's going on, guys? Thank y'all for getting to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how fast it is. I can message people and to generate me a couple of $100 every week, man. Let me just show you real quick. It's early in the morning. My phone's finna go dead, so I'm just gonna reply to a couple of messages. I'm just gonna show you exactly what I do. It's just a simple copy paste, and I actually using free apps. These apps generate me money, people. They actually just free apps. You can actually just click the link below. Once you click the link below, the app is actually gonna pay you like $10. If it don't pay you $10, it at least gonna pay you $5. But get the app, use the app, and do the exact same thing I'm doing, people. Just messaging people this same little script. That I need to edit. I think I need to edit. Let me edit it right quick. And then the secret is you got this is I think this is the main secret right here. Just copy. Let's see. Copy all. Copy. And what I do, I paste it. Send it to her. Nah, I wouldn't want to do that. And guys, you say you can't do that? See, somebody just shared it. Oh my god. This is so easy, people. I think I already sent him the information. Let's double check. Yes, I sent him information. Sent her the information. And no, this is not for overseas. It's just US based. I apologize. Just US based as of right now. All I know. But you guys, how many messages did I just send? I don't even know. But I know I send these people messages, and I'm gonna show you what these people want to do in a second when they get this message. So, and I just gotta make sure they, get a couple of notifications so they know that the message is in their inbox. I go up here, and so like sometimes when you see me with my head down in my phone, I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just trying to clean up this list because I try not to make people wait too long because I know they probably lost interest because after they seen the ad they want it almost right then and there, but what I'm saying, I'm one person, so yeah, I just keep doing this, man. And don't do this do like 15 at a time. I'm going this pretty fast because I'm trying to go to sleep. But I wanted to show you. Actually, somebody that got my training, they would just ask me how fast can I go, and I'm just actually showing them how fast I'm doing this. I don't even know if I sent it to Jessica. I think I have already. She looks familiar. And sometimes, man, these people be in the same groups. So that was just one group I just cleaned up. This actually another group right here that people asking for the information as well. I don't see that person. They probably just liked it. They commented in this one. Done the same one. But you see, getting a lot of engagements in different groups, people. Let's check these ones. All right, we got some more people down here. And I'm just gonna do this last one. But you see how many I did? I don't even know how many people I didn't hit with it. But that's a potential, $100. Does everybody get it? That's $10. So, I spelled the name wrong. And somebody just comment right there. So we just keep doing this all day, people. You're already on your phone. Why not make some money using your phone. Put that phone to use for real. See what I'm doing? It's not taking me long at all. At all. Only thing you have to do is just be organized and be willing to go get it, man. Because you see, people like free stuff, and the apps pay you money just to use it, and it's for free. Oh, you better get it while you can. So, but let me just show you what I've been doing lately with these apps. I know that was part of the boring part, but this is the fun part right here. Dash. Like I said, Dash is a cashback app. You just link your debit card up to it, and you get cash back at your local stores. It's plenty of stores. Only thing you do up here, go right here and search for your store that's in your area. But I want to just show you how many people I referred so far. And only thing I do, I just take my referral link and I just put it with my copy and paste link, and people just automatically sign up. They get $10. I get $10, and that's what I love. And you see, people are constantly bringing it in, so you can bring in a couple of $100 every week. This is $10, right? I could just count you 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's in less than 2 days, and it's still going. So and that's all I do, people. So right now I got 425 over here, and then say like I send that Dash app out. Well, for right now because of the promotions, get $10, but I actually send people the Cash app as well. And with the Cash app, it's just like a transferring app from person to person easily if you don't have cash. And that's how this Cash App work. But as of right now, people are just, using the Cash App. Only thing you have to do is just download the app and make at least $5 in transactions, and the company's gonna pay you $5 and the other person $5. And that's exactly what I tell people to do. They make the transaction with me, or they can make it with somebody else. But 9 times out of 10, how I teach it, they do it with somebody else. So, guys, as of right now, I got 770 in this account. As of right now, that's 11.95. Um, it's been very nice for just one ad. And let me just show you how long. Today is the June the 6th. Let me just show you when I post this ad. And let me just show you how good that ad did. Let me just show you when I posted. Let's go to the original ad post. I posted this ad on May the 31st, so it's been well over 7 days, and this company still paying me. People still hitting me up for the information. That was 4 hours ago. So, if you want to make the money, man, get my training, man. That's all I can say. Get the training, grab you some free apps, get the training, so you can be able to generate this money on a weekly basis, all for free. So if you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Alright? Peace.